Hello everyone, welcome to Hasan EduTech English channel. Today I will teach you division with some decimal place. In the previous lecture, we had deal about single digit and double digit division, and result we have got question with remainder. Today I will deal this division with some decimal place so that a remainder will be minimum. Minimum it means tends to 0. So let's take an example. Suppose we have to divide some number like 6723. Its application like any fund has 6723 rupees, and we have to divide among 5 peoples equally. We have to divide 5 peoples equally. So how much money will get everyone? In this process, we have to deal up to some decimal place so that how much money will get everyone. So for this kind of example, we have to remember the table of 5. For this kind of example, I will use the table of 5. Here is the table of 5. Okay, so let's start. Here is the single digit. So I will take a single digit from here. Here is the 5. Here is the 6 we have. Now we have to count 5 up to 6 or below 6. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. 10 is bigger number than 6. We have to count 1 times 5 1 is 5. Now subtract it. 6 minus 5 will be 1. After subtracting, we have to write down our next number. Here is the next number is 7. So write down here is 7. We have crossed it so that don't get confused that which number we have write down here or which number has left. So we write down 7 here from 7 here from here. Now we have to count 5 till 17 or below 17. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. 20 is bigger than 17. So 17 lies between 15 to 20. So here is the number 17. So 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. 3 times count, we have to count 3 times, and I will get 15. Now subtract it. 17 minus 15. 7 minus 5 will be 2. 1 minus 1 will be 0. After subtracting, we have to write down our next number. Here is the next number is 2. Write down 2. Now count 5 up to 20 or 22 or below 22. 22 will be lies 20 and 25. So here will be the 22. Below 22 is 20. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. 5 4 is 20. Now subtract it. 2 minus 0 will be 2. 2 minus 2 will be 0. After subtracting, we have to note down next number. Next number is 3. Write down here is 3. 23 lies between 20 and 25. Means we have to count up to 20. 5 4 is 20. Again 5 4 is 20. Now subtract it. 3 minus 0 will be 3. 2 minus 0 will be 0. After subtracting, we have to write down our next number. Is there any next number here? No. So, but we got a remainder 3. So we have to make this 3 tends to 0 after decimal place. Now when you put a decimal point here in the question, I will get 0, only 1 0. After putting this decimal place, decimal here, I will get a single 0 in the remainder place. After getting 0, we have got 30. Now count 5 up to 30 or below 30. 30 is here. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. Now count 5 6 are 30. Now subtract it. 3 minus 0, 0 minus 0 will be 0, 3 minus 3 will be 0. Here is the remainder has 0. This is our main objective, to make remainder 0 or tends to 0. Here is your question. Here is the question is 1344.6, means if we have any fund 6,723 rupees and we have to divide among 5 peoples, so what we will get, how much money we will get? 1344.6 rupees to everyone. So this is the our answer. And remember another thing, like after decimal place we have to count individually, like any number has 224.3728. So the rule of counting here is the 24.3728. After decimal place we have to count individually. Don't count like 24.3728. This is the wrong way. Correct way is 24.3728. Did you get? Okay, let's take another example. Here is the another example. We have 2,705 rupees and we have to divide among 7 people equally. So in this problem we need a table of 7. Here is the table of 7, or here is the question. Now here is the single digit, so we have to take single digit here also. Now count 7 till 2 or below 2. 7 1 7 is greater than 2, so 7 0 is 0. We have to count 0 times. Now 2 minus 0 will be 2. After this number has over, after subtracting we have to write down our next number. Next number is 7 here, write down our 7 here. 7 here is 27, 27, 28, 27 lies here. 7 1 2 3, 7 3 is 21, 7 3 is 21. Now subtract it from above number to below number. 7 minus 1 will be 6, 2 minus 2 will be 0. After subtracting we have to write down our next number. Next number is 0, 0 write down here. Now count 7 up to 60 or below 60. Where is the 60? 56, 63. 60 lies here. Can you see? 60 lies here between 56 and 63. So we have to count up to 56. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 times. After counting 8 times we will get 56. 56 here. Now subtract it. 0 minus 6. I can't subtract smaller number to bigger number. So 6 will give 1 carry to 0. 0 will become 10. 10 minus 6 will be 4. This 6 become a 5. 5 minus 5 will be 0. After subtracting we have to write down our next number. Next number here is the 5. Write down here 5. Here is the 45. Now count 7 up to 45 or below 45. Here is the table. 40. This 45 lies between 42 and 49. So we have to count up to 42. 7 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times. We have to count 6 times. I will get 42. Here is the 42. Now subtract it. 5 minus 2 will be 3. 4 minus 4 will be 0. After subtracting we have to write down our next number. Is there any next number? No. But remainder I will get again 3. So for getting any 0 we have to put here decimal point here in the question. After putting decimal point here I will get a 0. Only 1 0. Don't write again 1 0 1 0 1 0. No. Similarly we have to write down a next 0 here. Again after subtracting you can put 0 only 1. Only once. Okay. Now count 7 up to 30 or below 30. 30 will be lies between 28 25. 28 25. So here is the 30. So we have to count up to 28. 7 4 ja 28. Now subtract it. Now subtract it. 0 minus 8 I can't subtract, so 3 will give 1 carry to 0. 0 will become 10. 10 minus 8 will be 2. 2 minus 2 will be 0. After subtracting we have to we have to go we have to take 0 from this decimal point. This decimal point will give only 1 0 here. So 2 become 20. Now 7 count up to 20. 20 lies between 14 and 21. Here is the 20. So 7 2 is a 14. 7 2 is a 14. Now subtract it. 0 minus 4 I can subtract, so 2 will give 1 carry to 0. 0 become a 10. 10 minus 4 will be 6. 1 minus 1 will be 0. After subtracting, this decimal point will give 1 0 again. Here I can write 0 here. So now subtract it. Now count 7 up to 60. 60 will like between 56 and 63. Here is the here will be 60. So we have to count 56 up to 56. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 times I will count 8 times. What will get? 56. Now subtract it. 0 minus 6 I can't subtract, so 6 will give 1 carry to 0. 0 become 10. 10 minus 6 will be 4, and 5 minus 5 will be 0. Here is the remainder 4. Here we get an answer like after decimal place we need a 3 digits to solve. After decimal point, after this decimal we have to we have to find out minimum of 3 decimal place. Here remainder we have got 4, but we had calculated up to 3 decimal place, so this answer is over. Okay, and how can I read this this question? 386.428. 386.428. Don't read like 386.428. This is wrong way. Correct way is 386.428. Okay, let's take another example like divide by 2 digit number. Here is the another example. We have 4843 and we have to divide with 2 digit number 16, and here is the table of 16. You can see here. So here is the 2 digit number, so I will take a 2 digit number also here. Here is the 48. Now count 16 up to 48. 48 is here 3 times. 16 1 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 16 3 is 48, 16 3 is 48. Now subtract it. 8 minus 8 will be 0. 4 minus 4 will be 0. After subtracting we have to write down our next number is 4. 4 here. Now count 16 up to 4 or below 4. Here is the 4. 16 1 16 is greater than 4, so we have to count 0 times. 0 times is 16. I will count 0 times, will be 0. Now subtract it from 4. 4 minus 0 will be 4. After subtracting we have to write down our next number. Next number is 3. 3 is here. 16 count. 16 2 is here is the 43 lies 42 and 48 between, so we have to count 16 in 2 times. 6 1 2. 16 2 is 32. 16 2 is 32. Now subtract it. 3 minus 2 will be 1. 4 minus 3 will be 1. After subtracting we have to write down our next number. Is there any next number? No, but remainder we get as L1, so we have to find out 3 decimal place. So put here 1 decimal point. Once I put a decimal point here, I will get 1 0 here. After putting 1 0, what we get? 110. Now count 16 up to 110 or below 110. Okay, here is the 112, 196. 110 will be lies here, so we have to count up to 96. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times I will count. After counting 6 times I will get 96. 96. Okay, now subtract it. 0 minus 6 I can't subtract, so this 1 will give 1 to 1 carry to this 0. 0 will get will become a 10. 10 minus 6 will be 4. This 1 become a 0. 0 minus 9 can't subtract, so this 1 also give 1 carry to this 0. This 0 become again 10. 10 minus 9 will be 1, and this 1 has over, means 1 gap this 0, so this 1 become a 0. So what we get here is 14. Again this decimal point will give single 0. Single 0 we have written here. Now count 16 up to 140 or below 140. Here is the 128, 144. That means 140 lies between this, so we have to count up to 128. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 times I will count. How much will be 128. Now subtract it. This 0 will take 1 carry from 4. Then this 0 become a 10. 10 minus 8 will be 2. 3 minus 2 will be 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So after subtracting, this decimal point will give another 0 here, 120. Now count. 120 will be like 112 and 128. Between here 120 will lies, so we have to count up to 112. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 times I will count. What will get? 1 1 2. Now subtract it. 0 minus 2, so this 2 will give 1 carry here. 10 minus 2 will be 8. 1 minus 1 will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Here is the again we get 8, but no problem, we have find out 3 decimal place. Here is the 3 decimal place, then our answer is okay. So what we get the answer, what we has got our question 302.687. 302.687. okay. Did you get what I am trying to say? Okay, 3 example is enough for understanding decimal place, division of decimal place. Okay, if you understand this 3 example, please subscribe my channel and like my video and share this video also. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much.